besties, welcome back to AI Decoded. Today, I'm gonna show you something really cool, how to take just one single photo and turn it into a full professional looking video with multiple angles, poses, and even different scenes. And don't worry, this tutorial is beginner friendly, step-by-step, and totally free to follow. By the end, you'll be able to create your own AI-powered mini-movie. Excited? Let's go. Step 1. Generate your first character image. First things first, open your browser and head to Google Gemini. Sign in with your Gmail. Once you're inside, go to Tools and Create Images. All right, let's start by creating our main character. So I'm typing a quick prompt. A stylish young woman with long, shiny black hair, fair skin, wearing a blue denim jacket over a white dress. She has natural makeup and a calm, confident vibe. I want her to look realistic and cinematic, like she's straight out of a lifestyle vlog. Let's hit generate. And boom, here she is, our base character. If something feels off, like maybe the outfit or face, just tweak the prompt a bit till it looks perfect. Once it's ready, download this image because we'll use it as a reference for all the upcoming scenes. Now let's start building her day, scene by scene. We'll upload this first image into Gemini, and from here, generate every new pose and moment using our pre-made prompts. Oh, and by the way, I'll actually be using my own image for this vlog because honestly, I've always wanted to make vlogs like this, but couldn't before. And now that AI makes it possible, today's the day I'm finally doing it. Scene 1, morning wake up. Okay, so in this scene, our character is just waking up in the morning, sitting on her bed with that soft sunlight peeking through the curtains. Let's generate it. And wow, that looks super cozy and cinematic. Scene 2, making the bed. Next, we'll make her stand beside the bed, fixing her bedsheet neatly. The morning light still glowing through the window. Looks realistic, right? It already feels like part of a morning vlog. Scene 3, preparing breakfast. Now she's in the kitchen cooking breakfast. Warm sunlight on her face, maybe flipping an omelet, that calm morning vibe. Let's hit generate, and yes, that looks beautiful and lively. All right, now she's sitting at a small table, eating her breakfast and sipping coffee. This one adds a nice calm moment, gives that self-care morning aesthetic. Okay, now let's get her ready for the gym. She's standing in front of a mirror, tying her hair into a ponytail. You can already feel that shift from cozy morning to productive day. Now we'll generate her doing light workouts, maybe stretching or lifting small weights. The background shows modern gym equipment and mirrors. This one adds that energetic vibe to the story. Next, she's back home, fresh from a shower, drying her hair with a towel, soft lighting, that relaxed post-workout feeling. This one adds a nice transition before we move to her workspace. Finally, she's sitting at her desk, focused on her laptop with a coffee mug beside her. It's giving clean, productive aesthetic, the perfect ending shot for our AI-generated vlog. And that's it. We've just built a full AI lifestyle vlog using consistent images, all from text prompts. Same character, same outfit, different moods and moments. Everything perfectly connected. That's how you bring AI characters to life in a cinematic, story-like way. Step 3, enhance your images. Now it's time to make our images pop. We'll enhance them directly inside Leonardo because honestly, it's free, fast, and gives insane quality. Here's how you do it. Open the Leonardo.ai website and log in. From the left panel, click on Image Upscaler. Upload your image, the one you want to enhance. Hit Upscale, wait a few seconds, and boom, your image just leveled up. You'll instantly notice the difference: sharper edges, better lighting, and overall pro-level clarity. Now, you might be thinking, why is this step even necessary? Well, simple. If your images are high quality, your video will automatically look high quality too. This is what gives your final AI vlog that crisp, cinematic vibe everyone loves. Step 4. Turn photos into mini videos. Now comes the really fun part, turning our still images into moving clips. We'll be using Google AI Studio, VO, for this step. Here's what to do. Open Google AI Studio and go to Generate Media, VO. Upload your first image, that'll be your reference frame. I've already written motion prompts for all my images, and you can do the same. Right after you get your image prompt from ChatGPT, just give this next line as your prompt, and it'll write the motion version for you too. And yep, I've also added all my prompts in a file. You'll find it in the description below. Hit run, wait a few seconds, and boom, your image comes alive with natural motion. Do this for every image one by one. And I didn't just stop at making prompts for each photo. I also asked ChatGPT to write motion prompts for all of them, so each clip feels dynamic and story-like, just like real vlog moments. Since we're making a mini vlog, our scenes are short and aesthetic, like mini moments from a day in the life. So instead of long cinematic scenes, you'll have cute, snappy clips, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. And yeah, if you get an error on Google AI Studio, don't panic. It usually just means too many people are using it. Just retry after a few seconds. Step 5. Edit and build your final vlog. Now let's stitch everything together. Open any free video editor, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or even VN Editor works perfectly. Here's the quick edit flow. Import all your short video clips, arrange them in sequence: morning, walk, chill, or whatever your story order is. Add smooth transitions so everything flows naturally. Drop in a matching background track, something chill or upbeat, depending on your vibe. Add titles or captions if you want. This makes your vlog look extra polished. Once it feels good, export it, and ta-da! You've just made a mini AI vlog from one single photo and a bunch of smart prompts. And that's it, besties. We just created a full-on AI mini vlog. Consistent character, smooth motion, cinematic vibe, all from text prompts and free tools. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more fun AI hacks. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay creative and keep decoding AI magic.